Hi guys, I'm Michael. Today I'll show you how to build this, a drum sander with a dust collecting platform. Let's go ahead and do it.
You can make the drum almost as fast as you can cut and glue 5 circles out of plywood. They line up perfectly. We're gonna glue them right on the pin. Just don't forget to remove the pin after you clamp the assembly. Next, we're gonna make a small cut with the roundover on the left, right there. Then I drove the pin in. You can also use epoxy resin to secure the pin. Left about 2 inches of the pin. I sanded the drum to make it smoother and more balanced. It helps to apply some poly because the sandpaper sticks better and it makes it easier to change it. It's best to use the sandpaper with this type of base. And we're gonna wrap the sandpaper around that roundover we've made earlier. So I was pretty happy with the drum itself. It works well. The only problem that it still creates a lot of dust, even though I was trying to collect some dust with that hose in the background. I decided to make a platform that will be more efficient in dust collection. It took me about 30 minutes to build the whole box. Very simple. One opening is for the hose. And the second opening is for the drum itself. Then I quickly assembled the box using the side pocket screws. And some finishing touches. So now it works so much better. I don't see any dust in the air, I don't see any dust on the platform. It's just beautiful. If I unhook the hose, that's different. I see a lot of dust flying in the air and a lot of dust right there on the platform. Once you rehook it, it disappears. And if you want to use the upper side of the drum, you can do so. The sandpaper stayed on nicely. To recapture, that's where the clamps go, and then they clamp to the drill press. Alright guys, thank you for watching, be safe and happy woodworking.